Our stainless steel cable tie guns are made in Taiwan by one of the world's leading manufacturers, not China, like cheap poor quality guns. We have a fully automatic model and a heavy-duty manual cutting gun. Our automatic gun is suitable for ties up to 7.9 millimeters in width. It will tighten the ties to the selected tension, and then automatically cut the tie, leaving no sharp edges. Because stainless steel is very hard, the grips and cutting blades do wear out. Using 304 stainless ties, the blades and grips have a life expectancy of 5,000 ties. Using harder 316 cable ties does reduce their life expectancy. We stock spare cutting blades and grips for both models. The heavy-duty tensioner is suitable for ties up to 12 millimeters in width. You simply tighten the tie to your desired tension, then use the cutting lever to trim the tie, leaving no sharp edges. Both guns are easy to use and are covered by the Rhino Tools 12-month warranty.